have a great restaurant and a great property and my microphone stopped working, so let's get going. Today we're going to Koi Sushi, located in Plaza San Lucas, also known as where Walmart is. This place will become your go-to sushi place. I come here multiple times a week and I'm sure you will too. It has a very cozy, comfortable, but spacious atmosphere with amazing decoration. For me, the special rolls are what makes this place stand out. I've stopped talking to friends and family members after debating which is the best one. For my fellow connoisseurs, let me know in the comments which is the best roll, and also let me know what other food you think I should try out, and also let me know if you think Mexico should get the bill when I do these videos. Got the Claudia shrimp, the Doctor, and the 2017 roll. Why are they called this? I could not tell you. Hold your horses, 624 gang, this isn't over. Local donuts are currently my favorite donuts in Cabo. They're made fresh every day and there's a variety to choose from. The combination of donuts and sushi just works, like a no bad day sticker on a dusty Tacoma. Okay, now we are ready to go. Welcome to Ventanas Phase 3. This beautiful corner unit has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. It comes fully furnished and it includes all the appliances: AC, fridge, oven, washer, dryer, and ceiling fans in every room. It also includes a custom matching movable kitchen island. For my non-Spanish speakers, Ventanas is actually Spanish for great amenities. Olympic pool, running track, tennis court. The park and green areas will make you want to buy a bicycle with a little basket on it. Wow, and look at this kids' playground. Do I want kids? And of course, the amazing view.